A stunning shot of the ocean with dramatic music playing, transitioning into futuristic underwater city concepts. What if the cities of tomorrow weren't built on land, but beneath the waves? Imagine a world where humans live and work beneath the ocean's surface, surrounded by marine life, self-sustaining ecosystems, and futuristic technology. From fully floating cities to colossal underwater metropolises reaching the seabed, the future of urban living might be found beneath the waves. Welcome to Underwater Metropolis, building cities beyond the seabed. The rise of underwater cities, a time lapse. Maps of modern cities becoming overcrowded, followed by futuristic CGI renders of underwater cities. With the global population expected to reach 11 billion by the end of the century, space on land is becoming scarce. Scientists and engineers are now looking towards the vast, untapped potential of our oceans. But is it possible? Could humans truly build sustainable, thriving cities under the sea? New floating city, the Seaside project, a CGI flyover of a floating city concept, showing modular platforms and solar panels. One of the first steps toward underwater living is happening above the waves. The Seaside Institute is leading the charge with plans to create the world's first floating city. The project will feature interconnected platforms that can be rearranged as needed, allowing for expansion and customization. Initially designed for 2,000 residents, this city will rely on solar power, rainwater harvesting, and aquaponics for sustainability. While it may not be underwater, it brings us one step closer to building a life beyond land. OCEAN Ocean Spiral, a $26 billion undersea megaproject. Taking CGI of a spiraling underwater city descending into the ocean. But what if we could live entirely beneath the waves? Meet Ocean Spiral, an ambitious $26 billion project by the Shimizu Corporation. This futuristic city will house 5,000 people and stretch 4,000 meters from the surface to the ocean floor. The upper blue garden dome will allow natural light in, while deep-sea platforms will provide transport and research facilities. The Earth Factory at the base will convert CO2 into usable resources, making the city completely self-sufficient. However, there are significant challenges. Air circulation, pressure resistance, and earthquake-proof engineering must all be perfected before this vision can become a reality. Landfill, an underwater solution to pollution. CGI of a futuristic underwater structure collecting plastic from the ocean. What if an underwater city could clean our oceans while housing thousands of residents? In 2011, Serbian architects introduced Lady Landfill, a revolutionary concept designed to tackle the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. This floating megastructure will collect ocean waste, convert it into clean energy, and use the byproducts for agriculture. With dedicated living spaces above the water, Lady Landfill could be the perfect fusion of urbanization and environmental preservation. The Gyre, a 400-meter underwater skyscraper, a CGI skyscraper sinking deep into the ocean, connected by glowing tunnels. Now, let's talk about a city that flips conventional architecture upside down. The Gyre is an underwater skyscraper designed to stretch 400 meters below the ocean's surface. Though still in the conceptual stage, the Gyre could one day be a real-life Atlantis. Safety and benefits of underwater cities. Engineers testing deep-sea structures, AI monitoring systems, and self-sustaining ecosystems. Living underwater comes with its risks, but safety remains a top priority for engineers and architects. Advanced pressure-resistant materials, automated monitoring systems, and earthquake-resistant designs will ensure the stability of these futuristic metropolises. Additionally, AI-driven climate control systems will regulate temperature, oxygen, and water purification. But why invest in underwater cities in the first place? The benefits are immense: expanding habitable space, reducing urban congestion, and harnessing ocean resources for energy, food, and clean water. These cities could even serve as research hubs for marine conservation, unlocking secrets of the deep that could benefit all of humanity. The future, beyond Earth and into space, a transition from underwater cities to a futuristic Mars colony. Interestingly, building underwater cities might also help humanity prepare for life beyond Earth. The harsh conditions of deep-sea living share similarities with the challenges of colonizing Mars. Learning to create self-sustaining habitats, generate oxygen, and manage resources in extreme environments could provide the blueprint for interplanetary survival. Could the first underwater metropolis pave the way for the first Martian colony? Conclusion: the new age of human habitation. A cinematic montage of underwater cities in action. People walking in transparent tunnels surrounded by marine life. The idea of living under the sea may sound like science fiction, but it's closer to reality than ever before. As land space dwindles and technology advances, our oceans may hold the key to the future of civilization. The only question is, are we ready to dive into this new era? Outrow. I am calling to action, encouraging viewers to share their thoughts. What do you think? Would you live in an underwater metropolis? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more futuristic content. Thanks for watching.